Hello everyone, welcome back to the Logging Aid channel. Today for this episode of Logging Aid, I will be showing you how you can download and install Audacity application for your desktop. Now to begin the process, you need to open the web browser on your PC. You can open any browser that you have been currently using. So here, once you open the browser, you need to click open a new tab, and on the search bar you need to type in www.audacityteam.org and tap on search. With this, you will be directed to the Audacity web page, and here to download the application you need to click on the download drop down menu, and from you need to choose whether you are downloading for your Windows or that is Mac or any other source. So here I'm just gonna click on Windows. Now with this you will be able to download the file to your desktop. So here you just click on save file, and you can see the application is on downloading process. Once the download is completed, going to the home page, you can see there's the application. You can also double click on this app. Here the installation process will begin. So here the first thing you need to do is choose the language. So click on OK, and then here you need to click on next. Click on next again, and next again. And there you click on install for the final process. With this, the installation process will begin. The installation process is completed. You just need to click on finish, and with that you have successfully installed the Audacity application for your desktop, and you can see the app can be used from now on. You can do the similar process for your Mac as well. Hope this video was useful. Please like and subscribe the Logging Aid channel, and also don't forget to click on bell icon. Thank you.